and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you a really cool way how you can change your design of your existing SaaS quite easily with the Figma MCP server. So we will start right away. You can see here this is a SaaS that I created. It's an alt text generator for WordPress. I also created a WordPress plugin for it. Actually, I just didn't want to pay some other service, so I created a SaaS. And this is the original design I made with Cursor. It's all auto-generated or Cursor AI generated. And here we have the Figma app. You need the Figma app for the MCP server because the MCP server is a local server. And what it does, it just connects your cursor with Figma, so it can read the styles here. And here you can see this is the new design. I already changed this table here. I go over here. This was the old design, and here we have the new design. Also here is this nice different font. And now we are changing here the home. So first you have to add your MCP server, you have to activate it here in Figma. It only works with the Figma app, so you have to download it, and then you go here to preferences and then enable dev mode MCP server. That's the server. Now we have to configure the client, so we go over here to Cursor, we go into the settings, tools, and here you already see Figma. If you don't have it here, then you say new MCP server, and you just need to add this line here, Figma, and this local URL. When this is done, you can check if tools are enabled, and this is green. If not, then just disable and re-enable it again. So now what we have to do that this works, we have to tell Figma what we're going to change, and you just need to select it here with your cursor, and now the Figma MCP server can read this select. So I have already here one prompt. Okay, and so use the Figma MCP server and the selected component. Update the first section of the home with the new Figma design. You want to be really specific. Use the same button style like on the pricing page. I do this because we already have here the new style, so it makes it's a little bit easier for Cursor than to really know which style we need. If you can reference anything that could help, just do it. You could also reference directly the CSS style if you have it, but it can also read it from Figma. So and then instead of the image, now this is not what we want. We want also import the image from Figma. And if you can access the Figma server, stop, because I had it sometimes that it can't access it and then it just goes and it just applies some style. So looks good. Let's go, and we go over here in Figma. This is selected. This is important. Here is now going to call the Figma MCP server. Great, I can access the Figma MCP server. Now let me get the image. Get the image. It's all magic. Now it's doing a thing. I will fast forward here a bit. Okay, he wants to create a folder. Yeah, why not? Okay, last time it just grabbed it. It just saved it. Okay, now it's doing some curl operations. Getting the images. More images. Let's see how that goes. Okay, now we are doing some coding here. So let's see. We should see change in bit. Yeah, great. I would say it's nearly perfect. There's some okay, this is background graphic here. You can maybe remove, but we'll do this later. For now, it looks good. Okay, cannot click the buttons, but that's okay for now. Okay, it's finished. It looks good. Let's see how it looks mobile. Okay, you remove the image. Yeah, this is maybe to be optimized, but for the first shot, it's not bad. We'll do here only desktop first. So I don't want to have those here. The lines. Remove lines SVG. Oh no. So, and in the meantime, we can check the next section. Let's see what we have. This is download. How it works. Okay. Actually, the text is different here. Okay. So, perfect. It always is perfect. Let's see if it's perfect. Yeah, looks good. This is also now one point where you want to do a git commit and maybe git push. So we will skip this, we will do how it works, and we will select this one here, and then now change the how it works section with the new Figma design that I selected. Use the Figma MCP server. Yeah, just I would say give it a shot. Let's see. Now we don't have so much extra description. So okay, just getting the image. Downloading the image. Second, third image. 1, 2. Ah, here you have also icons. SVG, that's nice. Okay. Now let's get coding. Do anything. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Where's the design? Actually not 100%. Title and content should be left aligned. But besides that, looks good. Ah, it's left aligned. Perfect. And no, wait. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's check mobile. Okay, I don't know if you need to hide that image, but for now it's good enough. Great, accept next git commit. Important. Okay, let's see. Here we have some SEO benefits. I think we can view benefits. Here we are access. Okay. Okay, I think we just can use this one and get rid of this old one. So we select it here again, and then remove the current home your benefits section and use and insert the one I selected using Figma MCP. Let's go. Redesign made easy. Let's see, it's calling the MCP server, getting all the styles, now you will download images. Here we go. Sometimes he's calling get image. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, save. It's only two images. Okay. Later we have to check how the image folder looks like. Always check what the AI does. Here we have, okay. Could rename that if you want. Okay. Let's get everything. How many images are in this section? 1, 2, 3, or 1? Okay, let's see. What is it downloading? Trend up. What's trend up? What is that? Oh my god. Okay. I think he's downloading all the separate SVGs. Okay, that's that's not so good. Okay, I mean in that case we could also just export this image, download it, and then tell them just use this image in this folder. Let's see. Okay, looks quite good already. Okay, he downloaded this little arrow and the thing here. This is also one image. This is one image. Anyway, but the cool thing here is that it's not a full image. So Google can read also those texts here better. I would say it's perfect. Looks perfect. Mobile. Same issues. Yeah, here we have an issue. Yeah, not so nice. Okay, so mobile styles need to get fixed. Or reviews. Don't have reviews. Yeah, simple transparent pricing. We have the pricing here. Okay, then we can say copy the simple transparent pricing from the support page and insert it below the benefits. You can. I don't think we need to say check Figma because we already have the correct style here. Yeah, let's see if that works. Hope it just copied this stuff here, makes a new section. You also see I'm using auto mode, agent auto mode for cursor, because it's just cheaper, and you only use Claude or any other model if auto really fails, if you need something else, or to make a plan, a good plan. Often I switch to Claude Sonnet and just tell him, make a plan, check everything, but don't change anything, because then it's getting expensive. And then I will let the auto mode execute the plan. That's way cheaper and works great. Oh, white page. Okay, let's see. Nice. Doesn't work, but but it links to somewhere. Okay, but the design is right. That's great. Yeah, so as you can see, Figma MCP Server is really a game changer. So I don't have much more for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.